Finally here. This is so cute. It's so tiny. I love it. Hi there, welcome to my channel. Today we are turning this greenhouse to a graveyard. So let's start. For this project I will be using air dry clay, aluminium foil. I don't know where that disappeared. Polymer clay. And of course we can't forget acrylic paint and Crackle medium. I will start with my pond because I need this to dry a little before I can finish it up. To make this pond, I'm going to use aluminium foil, air dry clay, and a small piece of cardboard, and dust stones from the forest. Now it's ready. I'm gonna leave it aside to dry a little so it's a bit more sturdy when I add the stones on the outside and paint it. Now I'm going to use polymer clay to work on tiny details. I wanna create animals, birds, or anything that you can find in a graveyard that will add a little bit of creepiness. I have made trees beforehand so they have time to cure, but here is a montage for you to see how I made them. If you want a video about how I made those trees and what I would improve if I made them again, please tell me in the comment. But now let's paint them. Every graveyard needs graves, so next we're gonna be working on our graves. I used my 3D printer to print different shapes and sizes. I will be using this Crackle paste to age my 3D prints. that we have a lot of things to dry and bake, we are going to work on our landscaping. So come closer. I'm going to use a glue gun to glue my element, but before I do that, I am going to decide where I want stuff. I want to start with this one. I'm gonna cut the excess cellophane here. That is the Syrian in me decided to call it cellophane. I meant aluminium foil. Too much. I want to elevate this part a little, so I'm going to use aluminium foil for that. Well, now this is an artificial water feature that someone built a long time ago. And that's why we're gonna put some stones on the outside. This is how it turned out, and I really like it. It will look better when we get to texture the inside and change it from white. Now that we have all our elements ready, I want to continue landscaping and figure out where I want things. I want to start with this angel. I want it to be here in the middle, but I would like to build something for it to stand on, or maybe just a stone, if I have any big stones. Now I have everything in place, I want to work on the final touches. I'm so in love with this one. It turned out so good. I just need to fix the other half. final reveal, I would like to thank you for watching my video. If you liked this video, maybe consider watching my other video that I made, Witch Cabinet of Curiosity. I will link it down below. Thank you for watching. Bye!